We discussed concept 1. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Concept 2. Every perfect square has the digital sum. Every perfect square has a digital sum. 1, 4, 7 or 9. Every perfect square has a digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. But reverse may or may not be true. Another concept with as many applications as possible. Reverse may or may not be true. Reverse may or may not be true. Very, very important concept. What is the concept? Read the line. Every perfect square has a digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. But the reverse may or may not be true. If a number is a perfect square, if the given number is a perfect square, it should have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. It should have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. But the reverse case, any number with the digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9 may or may not be a perfect square. If the number is a perfect square, it should have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. If this is true, this will also be true. If a number got a digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9, it may or may not be a perfect square. Example is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. A perfect square is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. A perfect square. We need to check is a perfect square or not. What we will do? A perfect square. Is it ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8? No. 21. 4 into something plus 1. It is not giving remainder 2 or 3. Use a digital sum. 3 plus 3, 6. 8, 9. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. Every perfect square has a digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. It got 3. Therefore, the answer will be no. Therefore, the answer will be no. Again, I am repeating. 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Do the digital sum. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 is 1 plus 2, 3. But it should have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. Next one is 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. A perfect square is 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. A perfect square. 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9 we will cancel. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9 we will cancel. 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. 12 digital sum is 3. Therefore, the answer is no. There are many ways to check whether a number is a perfect square or not. There are many ways to check whether a number is a perfect square or not. What are the ways? A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square should always be of the form 4 into something or 4 into something plus 1. A perfect square should always have digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. 1, 4, 7 or 9. Reverse may or may not be true. For example, 22 it is there. What is 22 digital sum? 4. 22 digital sum 4. But 22 it is ending with 2. 22 it is ending with 2. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. If a number is a perfect square, its digital sum is always 1, 4, 7 or 9. Again, I am repeating. If this is true, suppose there is a lake. If Anil Nair throws a stone, there will be ripples in the water. Again, I repeat. If Anil Nair throws a stone, there will be ripples in the water. Further, reverse case, if water has ripples, does not mean that I threw a stone. My friend would have thrown a stone. Are you all with me? If I throw a stone, there will be ripples on the lake. There will be ripples on the lake. There are ripples on the lake. Does not mean that I threw a stone. My friend must have thrown a stone. Are you all with me? Is this idea clear? Every perfect square has a digital sum 1, 4, 7 or 9. But vice versa, may be true. Vice versa, may or may not be true. Idea clear? Ensure that each and everyone who is watching this class, ensure that you subscribe and click on the like button, sir. Sometimes what will happen is, if there are any technical glitches, YouTube itself will send you a notification if a class happens. I do not want any serious and a sincere student to miss any of the live classes which I am taking. How to find the square root of a perfect square? How to find the square root of a perfect square? First we will discuss this one. How to check whether a number is a perfect square or not also we discussed. How to find the square root of a perfect square? Question. Square root of 7744. Square root of 7744. Listen carefully, sir. We will not use the traditional bookish method. We will find out some better ways of solving a question. Square root of 7744. Step number 1. What are the last two digits? What are the last two digits? 44. Tell me 44. It is ending with 4, right? Ending with 4 means 2 square it is 4 and 8 square also it is 64. Unit digit should be either 2 or 8. Unit digit should be either 2 or 8. Are you all with me? Unit digit should be either 2 or 8. Next one. What are the last two digits of this number? 44. Tell me which number ending with 2 on square I'll get 44. 12 square is 144. So 12 square is 144. What is the concept that we discussed? Concept we discussed is, if I take a number x square, 50 plus or minus x whole square, 100 plus or minus x whole square, 50 plus or minus x whole square, 100 plus or minus x whole square, last two digits will be same, which we discussed in session number 2. Which we discussed in session number 2. X square, 50 plus or minus x whole square, 100 plus or minus x whole square. Last two digits will be same. 44 means 12 square, 144. 50 minus 12, 38 square. 50 plus 12, 62 square. 100 minus 12, 88 square. 7,700. 80 square is 6,400. So answer will be greater than 80. It is 88. Are you all with me? It is 88. You don't need to do any other logic. So root of 7744. It is ending with 4. 2 square 4. 8 square 64. Last two digits it is 44. Which number on square I'll get 44? 12 square is 144. X is 12. 50 plus 12, 62. 50 minus 12, 38. 100 minus 12, 88. So 38 and 62, 7,700. 80 square is 6,400. Answer should be greater than 80. Only option is 88 square. 7744 is 88 square. Square and square root both are cancelled. Answer will be 88. Second one. Very, very easy questions if you understand it. Root of 1681. Root of 1681. Every perfect square has a digital sum. 1, 4, 7 or 9. 4 plus 4, 88. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. 2 plus 2, 4. Its a digital sum should be 1, 4, 7 or 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. Again, last two digits, 81. What is the smallest number? On square, I'll get 81. 9 square is 81. 50 minus 9, 41 square. 50 plus 9, 59 square. 100 minus 9, 91 square. It is greater than 50 square, 2500. So only option is 41. Only option is 41. Are you all with me? I hope the idea it is clear. This is exactly why I said you should not miss any of the classes. Let me see. Chandan is asking me to repeat it. Chandan, for you. 7744. Chandan, in case if you have missed the session number 2, we discussed this in session number 2. 7744. Last 2 digits is 44, Chandan. First thing, it is ending with 4. 8 square 64 or 2 square 4. Answer should end with 2 or 8. Which number on square I will get 44? 12 square is giving you 144. Last 2 digits will be 7. Same for these logic. If x is 12, Chandan, 50 minus 12, 50 plus 12, 100 minus 12. So 88 square. See here, it is 7,000 plus. 80 square is 6,400. Answer should be greater than 80. This is out, this is out. So it is cancelled. Idea, it is clear, right? Very, very, just one, you will get the answer. Suppose root of 4356, root of 9604, root of 3364, root of, for example, 6561. 6561. Please drop your pen, sir. You are all Anil Nair students, where you are going to solve extreme fast compared to your friends who will go by the traditional methods. Again and again, I will repeat, most of these concepts you will not find it in any of the regular books or regular YouTubes. That is the reason most of my students end up with a salary of 30-35 lakhs, because their competency of mathematics is at a higher level. Square root of 4356. First step, last 2 digits is 56. It is ending with 6. 4 square 16. 6 square 36. But I want last 2 digits 56. 14 square is 196. 16 square is 256. I got 16. Last 2 digits same for 16. What are the other numbers? 50 minus 16. 50 plus 16. 100 minus 16. Answer will be one among these three. 34 square, 66 square, 84 square. 80 square is 6,400. It is greater than. 40 square is 1600. 34 square is less than 1600. Answer is 66. Answer is 66. I hope the idea is clear. Just by observing, you will get the answer. 9604. Last 2 digits is 04. Last 2 digits is 04. 2 square it is 4. Next is 100 minus 2. 50 minus 2 or 50 plus 2. These 90 square is 8,100. It is greater than this number. Answer is 98. Answer is 98. Idea, it is clear. 3364. Last 2 digits it is 64. 8 square it is 64. 50 minus 8. 50 plus 8. 100 minus 8. It is greater than 90 square, 8,100. It is less than 50 square, 2,500. Answer is 58. Answer is 58. It is 61. 19 square is 361. 50 minus 19. 50 plus 19. 100 minus 19. It is 81. Good number of examples which we did it. To understand the concept, everybody who is watching, in case if you got a doubt, mention your doubt in the live chat. In case if it is clear to you, say yes and clear. Do not forget to subscribe and like the video, so that in case if I do a random live classes, which probably may happen without notification, I might come on YouTube live and I can take a lot of live classes. Idea, it is clear. More number of examples. Speed calculation itself, 4.5 hours I discussed in the purchased course. Students can watch the video. Sometimes you might think that I am going little fast. Sometimes when I am taking a class, you are busy with another academic class. Sometimes you watched the class but you want to revise it. Sometimes one day before the examination you wanted to see the class notes of Anil Nair. You wanted to go through the arithmetic shortcuts of Anil Nair. You watched this class, but you did not purchase. And the question came and you did it in a traditional method. That one question incorrect has spoiled your chances of clearing that round, and you lost that very good company offer letter. There are a lot of side effects. It is like an health. If you do not take care of it, you will get into illness. Same is the case with respect to your dream. Mother Teresa said so beautifully, if you do not know how to take care of the child, give it to me. I will take care of the child. I am rephrasing it for you. If you do not know aptitude, just purchase the course and watch the videos as many times as possible. I have seen in 15 years how students, the brilliant of the students, could not clear the first round because there is a science behind clearing competitive examination. There is a way to play cricket. There is a way to play test match, way to play one-day match, way to play T20 match. T20 match is a match of fastness. And test match is a match of patience. Rahul Dravid, like cricketer, works wonders in a test match. But in a T20 match, you need the players who can hit the ball out of the ground. As a die-hard fan of the people who are a brilliant combination of patience and fastness, there are certain people who start their innings slowly and then move on to score some hundreds. Rohit Sharma is such a classical example. Initially, when he is playing, 10 balls, 0 runs, 20 balls, 5 runs. But we know very well that once he stabilizes, then probably we can see him scoring tons of runs. I hope the idea it is clear. Everybody kindly reply in case if you got any doubts. I hope you are all enjoying this class. Any doubts are there? Kindly use the live chat to ask all your doubts whenever you are watching. Yes. A.B. de Villiers is a classical example of somebody who is very good in academics and also very good in sports. Most of the people should take him as an inspiration. Next, shall I go into the next concept? Any doubts are there? Any doubts are there? Next, let me not waste too much time. This is how to find the square root of a perfect square. Next concept. How to find the square root of a non-perfect square. How to find the square root of a non-perfect square. How to find the square root of a non-perfect square. Listen carefully. How to find the square root of a non-perfect square. Suppose if I take root of 29. What is the digital sum of these numbers? 2 plus 9, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Every perfect square has a digital sum. 1, 4, 7 or 9. It is not a perfect square. How to find out the approximate value? It is an irrational number. So it will always give an approximate value. Approximate value. How to find the approximate value? Step number 1. Root of 29 lies between which two squares? Root 25 and root 36. Root 25 and root 36. 29 lies between these two squares. Answer is 29 is greater than 25. 5 plus 29, 25. Difference is 4. 36, 25. Difference is 11. Answer is approximately very close to 5, 4 by 11. Answer is approximately very close to 5, 4 by 11. All shortcuts, we will discuss it in our class. Suppose, for example, root of 43. How to find out the square root of 43? Root of 43 lies between root 36 and root 49. Root 43 lies between root 36 and root 49. Now see, 43 is greater than 36. 6 plus 43, 36, 7. 49, 36, 13. Answer is very close to 6, 7 by 13. Answer is very close to 6, 7 by 13. How to find out the square root of a non-perfect square? How to find out the square root of a non-perfect square? Sir, can I do it in a 3-digit number? Root of 102. Root of 102 lies between root 100 and root 121. 10 square 100 and 11 square 121. 10 plus 102 100 2. 121 100 21. 10 plus 2 by 21. 10 plus 2 by 21. I hope the idea it is very clear. Kindly reply it in the live chat if the concept. Specific techniques. Specific techniques. First point. Squares of the numbers. Squares of the numbers. Very interesting concept it is. Squares of the numbers ending with 5. Specific techniques. Squares of the numbers ending with 5. Squares of the numbers ending with 5. Just 1 minute, sir. Squares of the numbers ending with 5. First concept. Concept 1. Very, very interesting concept. Concept 1. Listen carefully. 15 into 15. It is 225. 25 into 25. It is 625. 15 into 25. It is 375. 15 into 15, 25, 25 into 25, 625, 15 into 25, 375. Anil sir, why these 3 examples? There is a beautiful conclusion. It is ending with 5. 1 is an odd number. 1 is an odd number. Again, 1 is an odd number. Odd 5 into odd 5. What are the last 2 digits? 25. 2 is an even number. Again, 2 is an even number. What are the last 2 digits? 25. Last 2 digits, it is 25. 1 is an odd number and 2 is an even number. Odd 5 into even 5. What are the last 2 digits? 75. What are the last 2 digits? 75. Very, very important concept. Most of the students will waste their time in solving it. If you know this logic, you can solve it very easily. When 2 odd numbers ending with 5, or when any 2 even numbers ending with 5, last 2 digits it is 25, else it is 75. Odd 5 into odd 5, 25. Even 5 into even 5, 25. Odd 5 into even 5, it is 75. Very, very interesting concept and must know concept for you to solve the problems very, very fast. Now we will see the example. We will write the concept here. Odd 5 into odd 5. Odd 5 into odd 5. Last 2 digits it is 25. Odd 5 into odd 5. Last 2 digits it is 25. Even 5 into even 5. Last 2 digits it is 25. Odd 5 into even 5. Odd 5 into even 5. Last 2 digits it is 75. This is the concept. Based upon this concept, let us solve some original placement related questions. Find the last 2 digits for. Find the last 2 digits for. Find the last 2 digits for. See this example. 5735 into 8645 into 1795. Seems like a terrific question to you. 5735 into 8645 into 1795. How to solve? 573 unit digit it is odd. So it is an odd 5. 864 unit digit it is 4. Even 5. 179 it is an 9 is an odd number. Odd 5. Odd 5 into even 5 into odd 5. Odd 5 into even 5. It is 75. Into odd 5. 7 is an odd number. Odd 5 into odd 5. What are the last two digits? 25. Just by looking at the question itself, you can answer this question. This is an odd 5. This is an even 5. And this is an odd 5. Odd 5 into even 5. 75. Into odd 5. 7 is an odd number. Another example. This is the reason why many of the students will clear the cutoff just because they know these concepts. If you do not know these concepts, you will think that it is a time-consuming question. If you are not getting good scores in aptitude, that only means you are not guided properly or you do not know the better ways of solving the question. You are going by the traditional R.S. Agarwal ways of solving a question. Many of the students, because you are innocent, you will end up solving R.S. Agarwal book. R.S. Agarwal book. R.S. Agarwal book. It is a book of practice. It is not a book of concept. You will never find a single page in R.S. Agarwal where the concept is discussed. It is not a conceptual book. Students who understand these difference, they will open R.S. Agarwal book and they will solve problems. How they waste time also I will tell you. First question, length of a rectangle is given, breadth of a rectangle is given. Area of a rectangle we need to determine. Second question, area is given, length is given, breadth we have to determine. Third question, length is given, breadth is given. Area we have to convert from meter square to centimeter square. Meter square to centimeter square. And students will open the book and they will tell their parents and they will also think that I am studying aptitude. Is this studying aptitude? This is mugging aptitude. This is nothing but you are using the same formula. You are writing 2 plus 3 equivalent to 5. You are writing 5 minus 3 equivalent to 2. You are writing 1 plus 1 plus 3 as 5. You are writing 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 equivalent to 5. Why you are wasting so much time in doing this rubbish shit? What you are learning in this, you tell me. First you need to learn concepts. After learning the concept, then you can refer a book of practice without even knowing. That is what we call it in an education system. KUA, not M strategy. Any student who understands this one will probably scale up in professional life. M stands for memory. Any student who has done PhD in mugging up and getting flying colors, you will have a lot of trouble in your professional life. Suppose my team member is there, I told this is my requirement, write a code for this. If he says, sir, I don't know, I wrote only hello program, then probably you should not pay him. K stands for knowledge. K stands for knowledge. U stands for understanding. U stands for understanding. A stands for application. You should study to know the importance of the subject and you should know how to apply that subject. Ours is a macula education system where whatever teacher writes, see, I have got twins in home. My elder son writes 2 like this. My elder son writes 2 like this. I asked him, why did you write 2 like this? Then he said, my Sheila teacher writes 2 like this in an online class. My Sheila teacher writes 2 like this. Then that is the reason I write 2 like this. I said, write 2 like this. Simple and everything. She said, no, I will write like this because Sheila teacher wrote like this. Okay, you can understand the impact of a teacher that is happening. The same teacher taught that the difference between Indian Standard Time and Greenwich Mean Time is 5.5 hours. I said, what are you teaching? She said, I am teaching the difference between Indian Standard Time and Greenwich. Why are you teaching like this? It is a 20-year-old back teaching. Our grandfathers learnt like this. Technology has evolved. Now it is an era of Google, where there is an overflow of information. There is a Google map. Why can't you go out and show 82.5 degrees east longitude passing through India? To move from one place to another place, it takes 4 minutes. 82.5 is 165 by 2. Into 4 is 330 minutes, which is 5.5 hours. Why can't you teach like this? Why are you making my kid mug up like this? Isn't it very shameful? On a mother's birthday, mother has given us the greatest blessing, that is education, and we are 19, 20 or 21 years. On a mother's birthday, we cannot take a white paper and write down how much we love our mother on her birthday, but instead go to stupid Archie's gallery. See what an American poet Tennyson wrote about his mother in a poetic way. A birthday is the day when you are gifted to the world, and the world was gifted to you. Wow, such a line it is. And you pay 50 rupees or 100 rupees looking at the design of the card and come to home and write, "From me to my mother," as if you wrote it. Is this the reason why your parents have sent you to school? You can just write a sentence, the kind of sacrifices she has done for you. Even she wanted to study for IAS preparation. Maybe her husband said no. Maybe her mother-in-law said no. And when you are gifted to you, she looked at you and said, "What I have gone through in life, my kid will not go through in life. What kind of pain that you are going through in life? Look at your mother who has given birth to you by going through 9 months of excruciating pain." And certain setbacks in life, certain distractions in life, and there are a set of people who invite problems into their life. Come, spoil the peace in my life. Unnecessarily get into relationship issues. Unnecessarily get into distraction issues. Remember, my dear friends, if you fail in life, there is no idiot who is going to be beside your life. Somebody has asked me, "Sir, I am holding a parrot in my hand. Tell me what will I do?" So I said, "You are counter questioning me. If I say you will open your hands, you will squeeze it and kill the parrot. If I tell you, no, you will kill the parrot, you will open your hands and the parrot will fly away. That parrot is your future. That parent is what you are dreaming in your life. You can fool anybody outside your life, but not the person with whom you are speaking every day. That is your conscience. When you are wasting your time, your conscience is telling you, my father is a lorry driver, my mother is working extra to take care of my education, I am from a good degree college, but I want to get a good rank. Listen to the person who is speaking to you. You want some examples of some of my students who made it big in life? I will show you enough examples. If you see these videos, you will think that how blessed you are in life. This is the student who made it very, very. See here. Who is he? Let us see. He is an IIMC, 100% blind student. A person who cannot even see his parents has got into Asia's management school, that is IIMC. Now tell me what he has in life and what you do not have in life. I will tell you what he has in life. He has hundreds of abilities which will convert his disability, that is his darkness, into light for people. Somebody said beautifully, disabled people are the people who dream to achieve something in life but could not do it because of their laziness. That guy who lives in the world of darkness, who cannot even see his parents. Imagine the journey that he has gone through to crack Asia's toughest examination. He is sitting along with IIT graduates. He is sitting along with the best of the degree students from Sri Ram College of Commerce in Delhi to a St. Xavier's Kolkata to an Ola Institute in Chennai to St. Francis in Hyderabad to the students from Christ University and everything. If he can do it, why can't you do it? Why can't you do it? The answer lies with you. There is no reason for me to take this many live classes for you. I have everything in life as a founder of a company. Why when 1 hour when I'm getting break, I'm sending a link to you saying that come and listen to the class, learn, buy this course at a discounted price and make it big in life. This is Suresh Reddy, a blind student makes history. Blind, I do not get into an work of motivating people, but I definitely will tell you, there are enough examples who will make it very, very big in life. I hope it is clear, knowledge-based, understanding-based, application-based. I want each and every student of mine to focus on these 3 areas. Everybody, I hope it is clear. Spandana is asking me to repeat. Please mention the question. Spandana, I will repeat the concept. You are referring to this concept 5735. I am assuming that you are referring to this concept. If a unit digit is odd, it is odd. Odd ending with 5. Even ending with 5. Odd ending with 5. Odd 5 into even 5. 75. Into odd 5. 7 is odd. Odd 5 into odd 5. Answer last 2 digits will be 25. Let us solve this question. I just want serious and sincere student to be a part of ANC course. 5, 6, 8. 8 is an even number. Even 5. 1, 2, 3, it is an odd number, odd 5. 5, 3, 1, it is an odd number, odd 5. 1, 2, 9, it is an odd number, odd 5. Even 5 into odd 5, 75. Odd 5 into odd 5, 25. Odd 5 into even 5, answer is 75. Spandana, I hope it is clear to you. Medha Ravi, I missed out your question, can you please repeat it? It just went to the top, sir. Above Chandan, Medha has asked a doubt, please mention. I hope this concept is clear. Is it clear to you? Can I go to the next concept? Can you tell this answer orally? 365 power 48. Please tell me the answer. 36 is an even number. Even 5 into even 5, 25. Into even 5, 25. Into even 5, 25. So even 5, even 5, even 5. Last 2 digits, it is always 25. Write down the examples in the same order. Concept 2. Concept 3. Concept 2 and concept 3. Concept 2, if it is A5 into B5. A5 into B5. If both A and B are even, what are the last 2 digits? 25. I'll use a different color. 1 minute, sir. A and B are even, last 2 digits will be 25. If both A and B are odd, last 2 digits will be 25. One is odd, one is even. One is odd, another is even. Last 2 digits will be 75. One is even, another is odd. This is what we discussed. We will discuss the entire number. The number before is given by the option A into B plus A plus B by 2. Here, if you get any decimal, ignore the decimals. Here, if you get any decimals, ignore the decimal. 2.9 is 2. 3.1 is 3. Everything after dot, remove it. A5 into B5. A5 into B5. A into B plus A plus B by 2. It's very easy proof. A is there in the tens place. 10A plus 5 into 10B plus 5. The last two digits will be either 25 or 75, depending upon the nature of A and B. Both A and B are even, last two digits is 25. Both A and B are odd, last two digits is 25. One is even, one is odd, last two digits it is 75. One is even, another is odd. A into B plus A plus B by 2. Examples. Concept is A5 into B5. Concept is A into B plus A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2. Last two digits is either 25 or 75. Either 25 or 75. Listen carefully, sir. Few examples, it will be very clear to you. First example, 45 into 65. 45 into 65. Even 5 into even 5. Last two digits 25. A into B. 4 6 are 24. Plus A plus B by 2. 4 plus 6 10. 10 by 2 5. Answer is 2925. Answer is 2925. A into B plus A plus B by 2. Idea clear? Suppose if the question is 35 into 85. 35 into 85. Even 5 into odd 5. What are the last two digits? 75. A into B. 3 8s are 24. Plus A plus B by 2. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 by 2, 5.5. Ignore decimal. Answer is 2975. Answer is 2975. Is the idea clear? 105 into 125. 105 into 125. 105 into 125. 10 is even, 12 is even. Even 5 into even 5. Last two digits 25. 10 12s are 120 plus A plus B by 2. 10 plus 12, 22 by 2, 11. Answer is 13125. Idea clear? In the previous case, we discussed only the last two digits of a number. But right now, we are discussing the entire number. We are discussing the entire number. 3 8s are 24. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 by 2, 5.55. Answer is 2975. Or it is 2925. If somebody asks 75 into 95, drop the pen and tell me the answer. Odd 5 into odd 5, 25. 7 9s are 63. 16 by 2, 8. Answer is 7125. I hope you understood the concept right. Very, very must learn shortcut techniques to improve your aptitude. Next one. This concept is clear. Concept 3. Concept 3. What if A is equivalent to B? What if A is equivalent to B? A5 into A5. A and B both are equal. What if they are equal? Now see, very interesting concept. A is even. Even 5 into even 5. 25. A is odd. Odd 5 into odd 5. 25. Odd 5 into odd 5. 25. A into B. A square. A plus A. 2A by 2. 2A by 2. A. So it is A into A plus 1 ending with 2 5. I hope the idea it is clear. A into A square. A plus A. 2A by 2. It is A. A into A plus 1 ending with 2 5. Now we will see examples. First we will take few examples. 75 into 75. That is the reason most of the teachers will tell that add 1. Why are we adding 1? This is the idea. Odd 5 into odd 5. 25. A into A plus 1. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. 85 into 85. Even 5 into even 5, 24. 8 into 8 plus 1, 9. 7 2 2 5. Are you all with me? Third one. 125 into 125. Even 5 into even 5, 25. 12 into 13, 156. Answer is 15625. 15625. What we discussed, concept 1, last two digits will be 25 if it is odd 5 into odd 5 or even 5 into even 5. Odd 5 into even 5, last two digits will be 75. Concept 1. Concept 2, A5 into B5 will be A into B plus A plus B by 2. Last two digits will be 25 or 75. Concept 3 will be what if A is equivalent to B? What if A is equivalent to B? I hope the idea it is clear. Some more to find the cube of a number. Another concept. How to find the cube of a number. Two varieties which we will discuss. In fact, not two varieties, three concepts which we will discuss. If you think it is hectic for you, we can sign off, because I do not want students also to spend more time on a mobile. How to find the cube of a number. Concept 1. Concept 1. Listen carefully. To find the square of a number, we used a plus b whole square. To find the cube of a number, we will use a plus b whole cube. A cube, 3a square b. 3ab square and b cube. Similar to a plus b whole square. To find the square of a number, initially we used a plus b whole square. Now we will use a plus b whole cube. Suppose, for example, 32 whole cube it is there. A is 3 and b is 2. A cube. Next is 3a square b. And next is 3ab square. And the next one is b cube. Are you all with me? 3 cube is 27. 9 3s are 27, 2s are 54. 9 4s are 36. 2 cube is 8. Write down only the unit digit. 8. 6. 3 carried. 54 plus 3, 57. 7. 5 carried. 27 plus 5, 32. So 32 whole cube is 32768. 32 whole cube is 32768. I hope the idea it is clear. Similarly, to find the square of a number, we did a plus b whole square. To find the cube of a number, we will use a plus b whole cube. We will use a plus b whole cube. Same thing, except the leftmost place. Every place unit digit should be there. Every place unit digit should be there. A plus b whole cube is a cube, 3a square b and 3ab square and b cube. Now listen carefully. Suppose one more example which we will do. 24 whole cube, because I want to discuss a very beautiful concept through 24. A is 2, b is 4. A cube. Next is 3a square b. Next is 3ab square. And next is b cube. 2 cube it is 8. 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48. 3 2s are 6, 6 16s are 96. 4 cube it is 64. Idea clear? Write down the unit digit 4. 6 carried. 96 plus 6 is 102. 2. 10 carried. 48 plus 10 is 58. 8. 5 carried. 8 plus 5 it is 13. 24 whole cube. Even if you check the calculator, it will be 24 whole cube is 13824. What is very important concept here is, listen carefully, sir. 24 power odd number. 24 power odd number. Last two digits is always 24. 24 power odd number. Last two digits is 24. 24 power even number. Last two digits is 76. 76 power any natural number. Any natural number. Last two digits is 76. Write down these beautiful shortcut in your notebook. 24 power odd number. Last two digits it is 24. 24 power even number. Last two digits is 76. 76 power any natural number. Last two digits will be 76. Very, very important concept. See, there is a placement question. 24 power 137. What are the last two digits? 24 power odd number. Last two digits will be 24. 24 power odd number, last two digits will be 24. Is the idea clear? That is exactly the reason why I did 24. Next concept is a slightly advanced concept. Pay attention. I will do as many examples, maybe 3 to 5 examples I will do, so that you will understand this concept in detail. Very, very interesting concept. How to find the square cube of a number. How to find the cube of a number nearer to. How to find the cube of a number nearer to 10 power k. How to find the cube of a number nearer to 10 power k. Well, little advanced level concept. Listen carefully. Concept write down. B plus x power 3 is b plus 3x. 3x square. It is a plus b whole cube. It is a plus b whole cube. The only difference is a is 10 power k, b is 10 power k. Last two places it should have k digits. Last two places it should have k digits. B is of the form 10 power k. Last two places it should have k digits. How to find the cube of a number? Same thing, a plus b whole cube. Only thing, a is of the form 10 power k. One example which we will do. First example, 104 power 3. 104 power 3. This is 100 plus 4 power 3. 100 plus 4 power 3. B is 100, x is 4. So it is b plus 3x. Next is 3x square. And next is x cube. 100 plus 12, 112. 16 3s are 48 and 64. 100 is 10 square. Last two places 2 digits. 64 2 digits, 48 2 digits. Answer is 1124864. Answer for this question is 1124864. I hope the idea it is clear. More examples will clear right after the class. Please go back and revise this concept as much as possible. 104 whole cube is 100 plus 4 power 3. B is 100, x is 4. Substitution. What is, how these condensed came? A is of the form 10 power k. A is of the form 10 power k. 1124864. Suppose if the question is, we will write down the concept here. B plus x power 3. It will be b plus 3x. 3x square and x cube. B plus x power 3 is b plus 3x, 3x square and x cube. These both should take k digits. These both should take k digits, and this should take 10 power k. This should take 10 power k. For example, second example, just to drop your pencil. Let me see if you can do a 4-digit number cube orally. 1002 whole cube. This is 1000 plus 2 power 3. So it is b plus 3x, 3x square and x cube. 1006, 12 and 8. 1000 is 10 power 3. Last two places in a 3-digit format. 008. 8 in a 3-digit format. 012. And it is 1006. And it is 1006. So answer for this question is 1006 012 008. I hope the idea it is clear. Please tell me this answer without using pen. Please drop your pens in case if you are watching this class live on mobile or on desktop. Kindly solve this question orally. What will be the answer? 103 whole cube. 100 plus 3 power 3. B plus 3x. 3x square and x cube. 109. 27, 27. 109, 27, 27. Are you all with me? Without your intuition, you will be able to solve the question. Umpteen number of, what I am giving you is just the trailer of Bahubali, right? That kind of amazing content, you will find it in our course. We took the numbers which are greater than 10 power k. What will happen if it is less than 10 power k? B plus x power 3 it is b plus 3x and 3x square and x cube. B plus x power 3 is b plus 3x, 3x square, x cube. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully to this concept. Slightly tricky. 98 whole cube. 98 is 100 minus 2 power 3. 98 is 100 minus 2 power 3. B is 100. X is minus 2. So this will become b plus 3x. Next is 3x square. Next is x cube. Till here clear? B plus 3x. B plus x power 3. B plus 3x. 3x square and x cube. 100 minus 6. 94. 4 3s are 12. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. If I am cubing a positive number, will I get a negative number? Will I get a negative number? No. I will take a 1 carry. 1 is carried on a base 100. 1 is carried on a base 100. So the value will become 100. 100 minus 8, 92. 12, 1 is taken out, 11. And it is 941192. 100 is 10 square. Last two places, 2 digits. 100 minus 8, 92. 12, 1 carried, it is 11. The only thing which you might get confused is this step. 1 is carried. 1 is carried on a base 100. 100 minus 8, it is 92. Why it became 100? 1 is carried on a base 100. 100 minus 8, 92. 12, 1 carried, it became 11. 941192. In case whenever you are in doubt, you can always check by using digital sum. 8 cube is 512. 5 plus 1 plus 2, it is 8. 5, 6, 6 plus 2, it is 8. So digital sum, it is matching. I hope the idea, it is clear. 98 cube. One more question which we will solve. 996 cube. 996 is 1000 minus 4 power 3. Are you all with me? So b plus x power 3. B plus 3x. 3x square and x cube. B plus 3x, 3x square and x cube. 1000 minus 12, 988. 16 3s are 48. Minus 4 cube, minus 64. 1 is carried on a base 1000. 1000 minus 64, 936. 48, 1 carried, 47. And 988. 1000 will be 10 cube. Last two places, 3 digits. 936. 47 in a 3 digit. 047. Answer for this question is 988047936. 988047936. Is the idea clear? Only thing, I took 1 carry. 1 is carried on a base 1000, so it is 1000. 1000 minus 64 is 936. If it is 92 whole cube, let us solve. 92, it is 100 minus 8 power 3. So this will be b plus 3x. Next is 3x square. And next is x cube. 100 minus 24, 76. 192. And minus 512. If I take a carry 1, 1 is carried on 100. 100 minus 512 still negative. I don't want negative. I am taking carry to convert negative into positive. So 200 minus 512, 300 minus 512, 400 minus 512, 500 minus 512, 6 carried. 600 minus 512, 88. 6 carried 186 and 76. 86 1 carried 77. 778688. 778688. I hope the idea it is very clear to you. You will take a carry to convert the negative into positive. We took the numbers greater than 10 power k and we took the numbers less than 10 power k. Is the concept clear to you? I hope everybody the concept is very clear to you. Next